How to replace a damaged tire on a unit with automatic tire inflation system VIGIA installed. Remove the rotor cover by unscrewing the nut that holds it. Then disconnect the nipple from the rotor. Disconnect the VIGIA inflation valves from the rotor. Remove the two nuts that hold the rotor support and then remove the rotor support together with the rotor. In the case of the front axle, the same operation must be carried out, taking into account that it is fastened with 3 acorn lock nuts. Then, remove the damaged tire. Once the damaged tire has been removed, remove the VIGIA inflation valve from it. Remove the inside of the inflation valve from the tire that will be installed and put the inflation valve removed from the damaged tire on it, taking into account that the pressure of the new tire is lower than the one to be calibrated. Place the tire in its place taking into account that the VIGIA inflation valves are in diametrically opposite positions for their correct connection to the rotor. Adjust correctly the new tire. Reinstall the VIGIA rotor support, securing it with its corresponding acorn lock nuts and washers. Connect the VIGIA inflation valves to the rotor, verifying that the terminals have their corresponding O-ring. Connect the terminal in the rotor and then secure the rotor cover on the rotor. Finally, check that there are no air leaks in the connections.